Earthquakes are typically caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, resulting in seismic waves. The primary reasons for earthquakes are tectonic plate movements. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into several large plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere below. The plates are constantly moving, albeit very slowly, due to the convective currents in the mantle. Earthquakes occur at plate boundaries where the plates interact in different ways. A. Convergent boundaries. When two plates collide, one may be forced beneath the other in a process called subduction. The friction and pressure buildup between the plates can cause earthquakes. Examples of this type of boundary include the Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Pacific Plate collides with other plates. B. Divergent boundaries. When two plates move apart, magma from the underlying mantle rises to fill the gap, creating new crust. This process occurs at mid-ocean ridges and can result in earthquakes as the new crust forms and adjusts. C. Transform boundaries. When two plates slide past each other horizontally, they can become locked due to friction. As stress builds up along the locked boundary, it can be suddenly released, causing an earthquake. The San Andreas Fault in California is a well-known example of this type of boundary. Fault slippage. Earthquakes can also occur along existing faults, which are fractures in the Earth's crust. When stress along a fault exceeds the strength of the rocks holding it together, the rocks can rupture, and seismic waves are generated. Fault slip can occur due to tectonic forces, volcanic activity, or human activities like mining or reservoir-induced seismicity. Volcanic activity. Earthquakes can be triggered by volcanic processes. As magma rises to the surface, it can cause the surrounding rocks to fracture and produce earthquakes. Additionally, volcanic activity can lead to the collapse of volcanic edifices, generating earthquakes known as volcanic or collapse earthquakes. Human activities. Certain human activities can induce earthquakes. Activities such as mining, reservoir-induced seismicity, caused by the filling of large reservoirs, hydraulic fracturing, fracking, and underground nuclear tests can alter the stress distribution in the Earth's crust and trigger seismic events. It's important to note that while scientists can study and understand the causes of earthquakes, accurately predicting the exact timing and magnitude of an earthquake remains a significant challenge.